What's up, guys? Last video I showed you guys how to clean this AirPods. Today's video we have a broken screen protector here, and the customer brought me this, so if you guys want to pick this up, good stuff. So we got an iPad today, so we're gonna remove this. First of all, always turn off your iPad, and the reason is because you don't want to touch anything, any settings as you're messing around with it. So this guy comes off, and look at that. This thing is totally cracked, and the glue is onto the screen and all that, and there's no damages though. So the screen itself, the screen protector, has left the markings onto the iPad itself. So the iPad was going crazy for the customer. That's what they said. The iPad was just going crazy. So what we're gonna do is, this glue's gotta come out. So let's open this guy up. Okay, this is the new one right here. So this baby comes open, and inside you're gonna have a protector. We're gonna just put this to the side. So, but this is what it's gonna look like right here. Nice and good. I'm gonna put this to the side. We got a whole bunch of warnings, important notices. We got this little package here. So in this package, it will give you instructions how to do this, but usually you could do it your own way. At the end, they give you these sticky little pads. I like to do it my way. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna clean the screen as much as dust remover. We got this once you want to scrape it. So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna put all this to the side, which I never use. And you should use, that's to guide you how to put the protector onto the screen. And it just gives you a little bit of guidance. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna clean the heck out of this, and then we will get to the bottom. Okay, I think this pad might be damaged because I see the screen moving. All right. Okay, I think the glue is, or there's another layer of this protector is still on. Okay. It has made those markings. So we're gonna have to clean this really well. This alcohol pad is not gonna do it. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. See the markings there? It just has the screen cracked. So this was beyond anything. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna have to clean this somehow, some way. So I've been on this thing for almost 30 minutes and nothing seems to work. It's all the glue there. Tried so many things, but we have come down to our very best. Okay, I'm gonna give it a few more touches. Try to put something underneath so you don't damage the bottom of the iPad. But there you go. It's looking good. So, a few last touches, and then time for new screen on this iPad. Not new screen, but new protector. So you guys gonna see a shining glare. There you go, it's looking nice. Camera might pick up some stuff, but it's looking real nice from this end. There we have it. This was totally abused iPad. And we're ready to put the screen protector. So, like I said, you have to You can use the sticky little guys to help you, or you can, let me just give it a final few touches. There we have it. And, or you could be precise. And I like to just make it nice with my fingers. Once you drop it, that's it. It's a go-go from there. There you go. Perfect. Look at the magic. Look at the magic happening there by itself. Could have been a little bit more to this side, but this is fine. Let's get the air bubbles out. And there's one over here. Big bubble here. One little bubble here. Sometimes you gotta bring it up because that bubble doesn't want it. I don't want to put too much force on the screen itself. So there we have it. Perfect. Looks good. And we're gonna leave it there. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And the iPad is done. Success all around. Thank you for watching my video. The back end, if you put something on the floor, should give you a better grip too. But now we can turn on the iPad. Should turn on normal. And you have to hold that button in. There you go. All right, thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.